Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be jazzing up my art space, my craft space. I'm going to be pouring over my scissor jar. You guys are like, you have a jar dedicated to scissors? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, I do. I am weird. So this is going to be a pour where I run out of white. This is going to be a pour where I use resin, which I am thoroughly excited for, because this is the first pour that I have at this time that I have done with mixing pigment into my resin. So that's exciting. So as I'm talking, I am actually mixing my pigment into my resin. I have white for you guys today. Can't see that. White. I'm going to be adding a wee bit of gold. I'll probably even put glitter in this gold. It's a metallic gold pigment. And I so conveniently and coincidentally have my gold glitter flakes right next to my recording space. So I'm excited about that. Gonna get a stick. I'm gonna stir that in. I've been kind of wanting to enhance my desk space decorations for a minute, and now I have time to. At the time of this recording, I am recording during my hiatus, so, you know, not even taking a break when I'm supposed to be on break. That's dedication. It's also getting black paint everywhere while wearing white. I am bold. Okay. So now I'm going to be stirring up my black. Now I'm stirring up my black. I have plenty of leftover resin from another recording that I did not too terribly long ago, as in a few minutes ago, so, you know. I'm like, how can I use this leftover resin? And the bells went off. Okay, so I've already primed my surface, and by priming I mean I rubbed it down with alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and it should be good to go. Everything should adhere to my surface. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get to drizzling, get to pouring, stir up my gold just a wee bit more. And I think I'll start with the black. I'll start dramatic. And I would like this method more than the Floetrol method, but this method, again, a little less economic, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, there's my black. I'm going to come in with my gold. This is running a lot faster than I thought it would, which I'm not disappointed in. But I feel like this is uneven. I've been wrong before. But I noticed where the paint is running. It probably is like uneven, but nah. I won't worry about it. I'll go with the flow. For now. But yeah, so I recently, was it recent? Or was that over spring break? I repapered my desk, as you guys have likely noticed by now. And it's this pretty white marble paper that I put down. And I'm in love with it. And I need some desk accessories that complement that paper. So I think with these colors, it definitely does that. I'm going to take my clean stick over here, and I'm just going to kind of swipe around where these colors are not running but starting to drip off the side of the vase. I'm loving the bottom of this vase though. It's very nice, for lack of better terms. Okay. And now I'm going to come back in with my black, but I'm going to drizzle it on this side. So the fun thing, or the maybe not so fun thing, I'm pouring this with resin in it, so I'll have scissors all over the place for the next 3 days. 3 days of being a hazard to the world. Come back in with this gold, and it's too fabulous to waste. Okay, gonna come back in with my white now. You might notice some cells popping up around the vases because my gold has a little bit of silicone in it. All you guys are like, oh, silicone and resin, they don't like each other. You can make them like each other. I like how it's making a bunch of tree ring pores down here at the bottom. It's just swirling itself. Man, I hope that dries on the plastic. I will peel that off and use it. I'm also gonna just make sure my edges are covered, and down here some of it is not, and that will not make for a very happy Cheeto. Alright, and it's almost there, except for, I think I got it. No, I didn't. Okay, now I think I got it. This is really nice the way it is. I have leftover resin paint. Now I don't know what to do with it, but I'm gonna go ahead and dismount. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek, and I'll take some pictures of it when I can sit it on its butt, bottom, foot. There we go. Alright.